Hello geeks, hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to make a camera application. This will be basically a web application, and the technology stack which we are going to use is HTML and plain JavaScript. So the requirement will be like uh, we will be having a video frame, and as soon as the user lands on this web page, the webcam will be enabled, and the live video will be uh, shown on your web page, and there will be a button, and if the user clicks on the button, that particular at that the frame will be captured for that particular instant, and that frame will be shown as the preview of an image in the same web page. So yeah, let's begin that. Here we will be writing the basic HTML tag, and we will create a body, and inside the HTML body we are going to add three div here, 1, 2, and 3. So the first div will be showing the video frame, and the second one will be having a button which will be capturing the image, and the third div will be containing the preview portion of that image. So let's write the video tag here in the first div. So this video tag is a built-in tag given in the HTML, and we can use it for rendering any video stream in our web page. Yeah, so for this video tag, we will give some width and height. Let's say we'll give width is equal to 200, and height, let's say height is also 200. So before moving forward, I will just let you know that I am using an online IDE for this. So whatever I am writing in the left side will be rendered, and the output will be shown, live output will be shown in the right side. So you can use any editor uh, available on the internet, or if you want you can use any uh, notepad or visual studio kind of editor, netbeans, for any front end coding. Yeah, so let's come back to our coding. So we have written our video tag. Now let's specify an id for this video tag. Let's say I'm giving video. I'm giving id because we are going to use JavaScript, and we will be getting all these elements in our JavaScript by id, so that we will be performing uh, other operations on those HTML elements with the help of JavaScript coding. Now in our second div, let's add a button. Name it as here. Let's give the ID for this here. And let's say whenever we will be clicking on this button, we will be calling a function. So for that we have to add a on click event here. On click we will be calling a function called capture. So this capture function we will be writing in our JavaScript code, so don't worry about that. Then yeah, the third thing will be our uh, showing the captured image preview in our web page. So for that we are going to use a canvas. Canvas is also a built-in tag given in our HTML. So canvas we generally use for any whenever we want to draw something in our web page, like if we want to draw an image or any shape, so for that we use canvas. So let's give an id for this also. I'm giving id as canvas. Let's give the height and width. I'm giving the height and width exactly same as I had given for video tag, because the captured frame and the preview frame should be exactly of same size. Okay, here we will add another attribute called autoplay in the video tag. So autoplay will whenever the page loads, it will start playing the stream which is passed in this video source object. Yeah, so this is all about our HTML. Okay, let's add some CSS for this. Look it so that it will look a bit more attractive. Let's add some background orange. Now our basic HTML code is ready, so we can write our JavaScript code. For that we will be adding a script tag here. So inside our script tag, let's get all the elements by id first. This will store in a variable, let's say video frame. Then we will get the document dot element by id, and the id is canvas, so we will be getting the canvas element, and we will be storing it in a canvas variable. Now to enable our webcam, we need to use the navigator media devices. So navigator dot media devices, this is a built-in feature given in our JavaScript. So with the help of this we can get to know what are the media devices available uh, in the on the client's machine. So media devices are basically like any input media device, like mic input or video input, which will be your webcam, or any output like uh, audio jack to connect any speaker, that will be your media output, um, audio output media device. Similarly like this, so if we have a primary camera, secondary camera, front and rear camera, all those hardware uh, devices, we can get it in the media device. So in the navigated or media device, we will be having all the devices data available, but out of those devices, we are interested only in the webcam as of now. So let's get the user media. From all those media devices, we are getting only the video related user media. So we'll make it visible to true, and this becomes the promise, so that we need to handle in JavaScript with dot then function, and whatever uh, promise is written will be captured in the stream variable. So this stream is just an input parameter for this anonymous inner function. We can give any name for this, like ABC or anything. It's just a name. Yeah. So now we have got the stream, but how will we be assigning this stream into our uh, video div? So for that, we have created a video tag here. So let's get the video frame dot src object is equals to stream, and then we need to do the video dot play. Yeah, so video dot play is also a built-in function given in JavaScript. Once you do the video dot play, it will in so this first line number 18 will enable your webcam. The second line will be getting the uh, video recordings in the form of stream and assigning it to the source object of your video tag. And this line number 20 will actually get the live stream and put it in your video tag, and it will start rendering live dynamically. So whatever you are seeing in front of your webcam will be rendered as it is, and it will be shown as a live data. So yeah, this is the overall thing. I think we have some syntax error here. Let's see what is the syntax error. String. Okay, this function, this should not close, and this should be like this. Yeah, so you can see in the right side our preview section, the webcam has already been started, and you can see in this video frame, which is of 200 cross 200, the video is being shown. So since there is nothing much in front of my video camera, web camera, it is showing some black and white picture, but you can see it is showing something like live, like the white black. So whatever is present in front of my web camera, it is showing like that. So I think because of the light present in front of my camera, it is showing like this. But yeah, definitely it is showing the live uh, whatever it is happening in front of the webcam. So now our first target is achieved, which is to enable the web camera and get the live live stream and render it in the web page. Now our second target is to capture the frame from that screen, the input stream, and show that as a preview on our web page. So for that we are going to implement this capture function, which we are calling on click of the capture button. So inside this capture button, what we need to do is we will first get this canvas, and in this canvas we will be uh, before draw any image in this canvas, we have to first get the context for the canvas. So context is basically like what type of uh, um, canvas you want to build, whether it will be 2D or 3D, like that. So for that we need only 2D context, so we will make it as a 2D. Let's store it in canvas context variable. Yeah, after that, once we have received the once we have got the canvas context, we can call a built-in method which is draw image here. This draw image will be responsible to draw that uh, particular frame, captured frame, on top of our canvas. So this draw image will accept total 5 parameters. First one is the object which you want to draw. So in our case we are going to draw each frame of the video. So whenever we click on that button, at that time whatever frame was being shown, that particular frame will be taken and will be drawn in on top of our canvas. The second parameter is orientation. So from top side, how much uh, like the starting top position what you want. So for now I am giving 0 because I want to start it from uh, without giving any space from the top. Then again third parameter will be 0, which is showing the space which you want to give from the left side. So that also I am giving 0 because I don't want any space from the left side. Then the fourth and fifth parameters are width and height. So width and height also I am giving the same what I have given for the canvas, so that it will capture exactly same size and it will render in a same size of window, which is 200 cross 200. Yeah, so code is more or less completed. Let's see how it is capturing. So let me capture this. Click on this button. Yeah, so you can see the image is captured here, and that particular captured image is shown here. So let me again put some light in front of my camera. So you can see the camera is still uh, like showing the live behavior. Sometimes when the torch is in front of camera it is becoming white, if it is going away then it is becoming black, but the tip which is below it, it is showing the still frame which was captured earlier. So suppose now if I want to capture a frame, it will capture some white frame because I have kept the torch in front of my camera. So you can see the white image has been captured. Now if I turn off my torch, it has become black. So now if I capture, it will capture the black image. So yeah, it is capturing whatever is in front of your camera. If you put your face, it will capture your face as well. So that is all about this video. Hope you have learned something from this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And if you need any more videos like this, please come give a comment in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, that will also be very helpful for us. And if you want any such project which you want me to build and uh, show you on the video, please give your suggestions. Thank you.